Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the control panel assembly on your dryer. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's not responding to input at all, or because the dryer is just not working. For this repair, all we'll need is a 1/4" nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dryer we'll be using. It's a Maytag Maxima X. Keep in mind that yours might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. So all we have to do now is turn our dryer around. Now we'll be removing the 2 screws here holding our top on. And once you remove those 2 screws, you can pull back on the top panel and then lift up and remove it. Now we're going to remove this wire that goes up to the front control board. And the next thing we have to do to remove the front control panel is there's 2 screws right here, so we're going to take those out. Now that the screws are off, we can take off the front control panel. So we're going to lift up and push back at the same time and release the control panel. Since this wire is clipped in along the entire piece right here, I'm just going to unclip it from here so that when we remove the plastic piece, we don't have to worry about this wire. There we go. Now I have to remove all these screws. So now we've got all the screws out, this front panel will just lift right out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement control panel assembly, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. Now what we're going to do is we're going to line up all these screw holes here with the holes in this panel here. So you can just put it straight in, and then we're going to flip it over and screw it back in. Now I'll plug these wires back in. Now when we put the front control panel back on, we're going to feed this wire through first. And that'll go all the way through that hole. And we're going to set up the control panel. And we're going to line up all the holes on the bottom here. Once the holes are lined up on the front, you're just going to want to push forward so that tabs lock into place. And now we can plug this wire back into the control board. And now we can screw it back down. Now if you take a look at one of the sides on the panel, it's got these slots that go all the way down. Those slots correspond to each one of these tabs here. So when you put the top panel back on, you're going to want to try and make sure that those slots line up with the tabs. And as long as everything lines up, the top panel will slide in there nice and easy, and your back hole should line up nicely so we can screw it back in. And once you got that screwed in nice and tight, you can turn it back around and your repair is complete. Now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.